Hello everyone, I'm back again today, second time. I've already done one little video and put it up, but I am using my older computer today. It's a little bit easier to work and much better quality camera on it than what is on my newer computer. So anyway, the postman's been today, and I've just come on to thank one or two people. I'll put my knitting down and show you what. First, this is to thank Sue for the card she sent to me and the payment that she sent me for some of my knitting patterns that I will be sorting out today and probably posting off tomorrow for you, Sue. So just to let you know that I received your card and the payment, so thank you very much for that. And another lady, this lady's called Edith. She sent me a letter with payment for some patterns. Some I have and some I don't have. But I will explain to Edith in a letter, because she sent me payment for some things and one or two things that I'm in the middle of that I haven't got patterns made for yet. But I will explain all that to Edith in the letter. So if you're watching, Edith, I got your letter today, so I will sort out what you want, and then I'll probably be popping along to the post office tomorrow sometime with them. And I also received another, it's a calendar. Now, I haven't got a clue who sent this. There's just a calendar. I've looked on it. It looks like a lot of pictures in Dorset. I don't know who sent this. There was nothing to say, so I can't say thank you to who it was, but thank you very much, whoever it was that sent this beautiful calendar to me, because I have a calendar downstairs in my kitchen, but I usually like another one upstairs, which I didn't get round to buying for up here in my workroom. So I'll probably have to find somewhere to put it on the wall, but it's got some lovely pictures in. I'll show you the pictures in it. It's a moo cow, as us kids used to say. That's for January. And February is a lot of little sheep. And some calves. I think it's one calf, isn't it? Yes, it's a calf. That's for March. And a rabbit, or is it a hare? It could be a hare, that it's got very long ears. I think it may be a hare, that one. For April. And a tractor working on the farm. I have a funny idea who I think this may be from, but I can't see for sure. Because it's to do with farm. It looks like cattle going to market. The whole follow my leader on that one. That is for June. And there's a lot more cows with numbers on the backsides. That was July. And that's the saying that I'm not going to say a certain thing to the company. That is for August. And for September, it's another tractor doing its work. And a lovely sunset there. That is October. And a rainbow. That is November. And December. That's a snowy scene, which I hope I'm not going to have, because we have had a message on my weather map for heavy snow tomorrow. I hope it doesn't start tonight while I'm at bingo. So that was December. So that is a lovely calendar. All the pictures on the back, all it's showing you what they're all there on the back. So whoever sent that calendar to me, thank you very much. It's a beautiful calendar, some lovely pictures in there. And like I said, it's going to be handy up in my room now, my workroom. So that was just a little bit extra because the postman came a bit late today. Well, he's late most of the time at my estate. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all again some other time. So bye for now.